In this video, I'm going to show you how to update games in the Epic Games Launcher quickly and easily. If you've got a game that isn't updating automatically, or you just want to make sure everything is set correctly, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. By the end, you'll know how to turn on auto update, force the launcher to refresh, and make sure your games stay up to date without the headache of doing it manually. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. It really helps the channel and it keeps you updated with more helpful tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the launcher is open, head over to your library. This is where all of your installed games are listed, and it's the place you'll manage your update settings. Now find the game you want to update. Under the game tile, you'll see 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the options menu. In this menu, look for the auto update setting. If auto update is turned off, click it so it turns blue. When it turns blue, that means auto update is enabled and Epic Games will handle future updates automatically for that game. This is the most important step because if auto update is disabled, the launcher may not download updates when you expect it to. Turning it on helps make sure the game stays current whenever Epic Games has a new patch available. If the game still is not updating right away, don't worry. The Epic Games Launcher usually checks for updates automatically when it is opened, so one simple fix is to close the launcher completely and then reopen it. This forces the client to refresh and look for any available updates again. If that still doesn't work, go back to the same game, click the 3 dots again, and choose Manage if that option is available. From there, make sure auto update is enabled in the Manage settings as well. This helps confirm that the launcher is allowed to download updates for that game. Once auto update is on, you can leave the launcher open and it should update games in the background when needed. Just make sure your internet connection is stable and that the launcher has time to finish checking for files and downloading patches. So to recap, open Epic Games Launcher, go to Library, click the 3 dots under the game, make sure auto update is enabled and blue, then restart the launcher if you want to force it to check again. That's the quickest way to update games in Epic Games. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.